Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Hill State People's Democratic Party ringkat langbat ke Garoland National Council kibalanya ke jok atong mat penyo no ela ka jong ka jela kila panlong ya ka jeng kendolang ha khat rek no pra aza arpoar ha kasnong mo panlor ha ka jeng kana bagilat patay kubor u General Secretary jong Garoland National Council Agustine Marak uloong baka Jingdawa jela Garoland kanlong baik kum upod usam jong Garo Hills District bamenta bat kan omdan kan ngono ka jeng kan turpod watang si insiru sya upod usam jong rilom kase Shusho uloong ru baka Jingdawa Garoland kamde na kadaw baka dun ka jesun bat gijaj ben rew khasi chantia Henry kalong namar bagi jaj ben rew garo kidan la ka jong khtian ka thlej ka reti ka dostor ka kham ya pher bat ki khasi chantia bat no ka taru ka Jingdawa jela la ka jong kalong dakan ti ka bajai jai bat la ka jes tholang Hak baidai baka Jingdawa jogi pai garo ki besong basa hari lom khasi Augustin Marak uloong baka Jingdawa Garoland kalong ktai e ki pai garo ki belasong lasa hari lom khasi nyamar baki bon ki pai garo ki bali buhai shnong om tang hakajal Assam Henry wat hagare Bangladesh
GNC is the political party who is spearheading this separate Khasi Janti state demand that our leaders, led Clifford Marak, he has clearly stated in his memorandum that GNC is demanding separate Garo state from the existing boundary of the Garo Hills district. There will be no inch crossing to the beyond the boundaries of the Garo Hills districts. Garo National Council and the SSPDP leaders, they have a coordination committee. We have a coordination committee, and we have jointly submitted the memorandum to the government of India, advising the government of India to create separate Garo state and the separate Khasi Janti state. Under the article of 371, J to the separate Khasi Janti state and article 371K to the separate Garo state, based on the linguistic. Garo Hills people not demanding separate statehood because of separate identity, language, separate culture, different culture from our beloved Khasi Janti people. So we need the identity to protect and preserve. We are not demanding separate state because of hate each other. We are demanding separate state just because of the culture, language, traditions is different from our beloved Khasi Janti people. It will be mutually with love and respect. It will be democratic, non-violence. So we are happy today. We reconstitute the coordination committee between GNC and SSPDP, like we have before during the time of like Clifford Marak and the Bahupin Seminto. So now we are getting more support from the people of Katkum, and most importantly, we are getting support from the Federation of New State Demand Committee, and we will be joining the Dharna in Delhi, which will be started from the 14 of this month, up to 15, and the coordination committee between GNC and the HSPTB will be part of the New State Demand Committee, Federation of New State Demand Committee. As for the understanding between the GNC and the HSPDP, there will not be any effect to the people residing in the Khasi Hills region, Garo people residing in the Khasi Hills region. We have Garo people in Assam, we have Garo people even in Bangladesh. So it's a political boundary, so it's not easy to speak immature word to get all this area to the proposed Garoland